How to hide your subscription list on YouTube. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, you should know that you cannot directly hide your subscription list from YouTube app itself. So what else you can do is, you need to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the website youtube.com. And enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to You at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings of YouTube, you need to head over to History and Privacy. Over here you can see the option Keep All My Subscription Private. You need to toggle on this icon. Once it has been toggled on, now all of the subscription lists will be hidden and only you will be able to see it. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.